The return to work this week followed a long weekend and a significant snowfall. The evidence of this was clear to see and led to activity to clear up the remains. Further up the dock, beside the switch building, gravel was being delivered to prepare a finished surface. Around the site of the future passenger boarding bridge, work was beginning that will continue throughout the week. Wednesday would see work continue in the area ahead of the passenger terminal. Work included the preparation of piping that will eventually support the ferry. Meanwhile, work continued around the area of the switch building. On Thursday, it was the turn of the main passenger loading area to be cleared of snow. Down in the boarding area, formwork was being placed in obvious preparation for eventual concrete. There was abundant evidence of activity inside the terminal, too. Something was going on along the outside of the south finger. And alongside the utility building. But the nature of that work remains entirely unclear. Thursday's rapidly completed formwork made possible the installation of the first reinforcing rods on Friday. Although it was clear that some work remains, the situation looked good going into the weekend. Elsewhere, at the top of the south finger, it was clear that preparations were being made for something here as well. On the new ramp, work was taking place, perhaps to secure the gratings on the new deck. This is not light work. And it'll be interesting next week to see how things have gone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.